Okay, group 1. Can you please explain?
These are
Uncountable. Countable. Very good. Is it correct, class? Correct? Yes. Okay. Now let's move on to the second group. Second group, please go to your space. Okay. Can you please tell me why do you put the pictures into two groups like that? Okay, that is the group. The group for uncountable. Very good. Countable group. Okay, very good. So just now we have learned that there are nouns which are countable and uncountable. Can you please give me some examples of countable noun? Are you? Countable nouns. Come on. Money is not countable. Bicycles. Okay, bike, bicycle. Very good. What else? Book. Very good, Kylie. Now, can you give me some examples of uncountable nouns? Money, sand. Very good. What else? Yes. Water, rice, milk. Very good. The first picture is cookies. Very good. And the second picture is rice. Okay. So, can you differentiate between these two? Cookies, countable or uncountable? Countable or uncountable? Countable. You can have a piece, 2 pieces, right? What about rice? Uncountable. So when you have to say a big number of cookies, you have to say many. Okay? If you want to say that there is a small number of cookies, you have to say a few. Okay, many. Repeat after me. Many. A few. Remember, these are for the countable nouns. Let's take a look at the uncountable nouns. We have a plate full of rice, and we have a plate with just a little bit of rice. So how can we explain it in English? Many. A few. Is it correct? No. There must be a difference between countable and uncountable. So for uncountable, you say there are many cookies. But for uncountable, you say it like this. Much. Repeat after me. Much. What about a small amount of rice? A little. Very good. A little. Nice guess. Okay, so we have many. Much. A few. A little. Very good. You can see that there are 2 plates here. We have the plates with a question mark on it. Now, why do we have a question mark? Sometimes, when you are not sure whether the object is available or not available, okay, you need to ask someone, right? Yes? Okay. So, for example, you want to ask about the cookies. Okay? Let's say the plate here is for the cookies. And the next plate is for the rice. Okay. Always remember that for countable noun, if the subject is plural, so you have to use the verb for plural subject. If you have the subject in singular form, so you have to use the verb in singular form. got to be at the front of your question. So, what should you write? Is or are? For cookies. Is or are? Are. Very good. Because cookie right here is SB. Okay. So, are there any cookies? Are there any cookies? What about rice? Is. Very good. Because uncountable noun always takes the singular form. Okay, so is there any rice? Okay. So why do we use any? Because we are not sure. We are not sure. Kita tidak pasti whether the food is available or not. Let's take a look at these two pictures. Are there any cookies on the plate? Yes or no? Yes. Is there any rice on the plate? Yes. Okay. So, someone asks you, are there any cookies? Is there any rice? You have to answer them. So, this is how you answer them. There is or are? Are. Very good. There are some. Any is used when you are not sure about the amount. Bila kamu tak pasti tentang jumlah. Now, you are sure that there are cookies. Terdapat biskut di atas pinggan. Okay, so there are some. Terdapat berapa? There are some cookies. Okay, what about the rice? Is there any rice? There? There, very good. There is some rice. Very good. Okay. Some. Some is used to show you that the food or the object is available. Benda tu ada. What can you say? Okay, habis, right? Empty plates. The plates are empty. Also, it means that someone has eaten all the cookies and rice. So, if I will ask you, are there any cookies? There? There aren't any cookies. Okay. Another function for any is when something is not available. So there are two functions for any. The first one is when you are not sure whether the food or the object is available. You are not sure if it's still there or it's not there. For the next one, any is also used to show you that the object or the food is no longer available. Are there any cookies? No, there aren't any cookies. What about this one? Is there any rice? There? There? Isn't. Okay? There isn't any rice. Countable, okay. Hmm? So which one is the answer? Okay, so which one? Ten, 9, 8. C, is it correct, class? Yes, it's the correct answer. Well done, Koyum.